To add a score to your quiz, first create a project. Click on New Formaloo and choose Survey. Now let's name the project. You can change it later. Click on Edit Form and let's add necessary fields to complete your quiz. Let's create a self-grading math quiz. After you add questions, it's time to add variable fields. Form variables are hidden calculated values. First, we'll calculate the total score. The variable is an integer, and I'll change the title accordingly. Also, add an ID, as it will help us pipe the value later. If you also want to show the grade like A, B, C, D, and so on, add another variable named grade. Also, add an ID to this. Now it's time to set up the scoring system. To do this, we'll assign points to each question using logic. Go to the advanced logic in your form editor. Here you'll add conditions that define how points are added to your total score variable based on users' answers. Once your score calculation is in place, you can also create logic to assign a grade. For example, if the total score is 95 or higher, set the grade to A+. This logic will automatically evaluate the final score and assign correct grade without any manual review. Now it's time to display the total score and the grade at the end of the quiz. You'll do this on the ending page. To show the score, use answer piping. Insert @ symbol followed by ID of your score or grade variable directly in your message. Once your message is customized, it will automatically show the user's results. Need help sharing your form? Watch the video above for a quick walkthrough. And that's it. Your quiz is ready to go. Happy Formalooing!